guys, welcome to the Gamuda Gardens Experience Gallery. My name is Adila.
And my name is Nadia, and today we will bring you around Gamuda Gardens. This is the master plan of our township, which is an 810 acres of development.
Gamuda Gardens is located on the northern side of Sungai Buloh, and it is designed with good connectivity in mind, as it is directly accessible to the NSE via exit 115, and it's also accessible to the Guthrie Highway and the Lata Expressway.
Visible by the NSE highway would be the Gamuda Gardens City Centre. It will be designed to be the play place, the shopping place and the gathering place. Skyline Lodge will be part of the Gamuda Gardens City Centre, which is a thrilling gravity ride downhill. It is designed with twists and turns that will surely make one feel that one ride is never enough.
With all these residential and commercial components in place, Gamuda Gardens is set to be the pulse of Northern Klang Valley. Now, we are walking through the garden's wellness entrance. As you can see, we've got a 50-meter Olympic length pool right next to the children's play pool. Next to the pool, we've got a gym that overlooks the pool. You have also got 8 numbers of badminton court.
After a great workout session, you can head on to the waterfront village, where it is going to be the best lepak place. And you can have a spectacular view of the majestic lake. The lake illuminates at night and shows colourful light displays. The tenants in Waterfront Village include Eco-Kana Bike Rental, KFC, as well as Freshie Mart, where you can shop for your daily conveniences.
Besides that, you can also take your kids and head on over to the Big Bucket Splash. Here, you can have a splashing fun in the sun, but not be too hot because it's also semi-enclosed. Then we also have the Gardens Arena, which is a FIFA standard football field. And this is where you can come with your friends to have a football tournament.
On top of all those exciting elements, we also have an enchanting event space called Le Gardens Pavilion.
And look, Nadia, just by the lake and within the neighbourhood area, we've got this humongous playground area for kids to play with.
This is amazing!
Not only they put amazing architecture into the design of the houses and the lake, they also put it in the design of the playground. I mean, just look at this structure, it's amazing.
There will never be a dull day in Gamuda Gardens for kids.
Now, we are standing on one end of the 50-acre Central Park in Gamuda Gardens. Just look at the majestic view you get from here.
It's spectacular. This is a 50 acres pet-friendly park for you and your family, and also your furry friends to enjoy the greenery.
Yep, so you can jog, you can cycle, and you can walk your pets all in this 50-acre park. Now, with all this lushness of the greenery, it's no wonder that it backed Gamuda Gardens a Green Building Index Silver rating.
So Dila, overall, this is indeed a beautiful township nestled in vibrant nature and great commercial developments for everyone to live in.
Yes, so your parents, you, your children, even your pets, beautiful place to live.
Everybody will live a happy life here
in Gamuda Gardens. Right, Nadia, we have now reached the Joya Superling Home Show Unit.
Wow, look at this amazing architecture. There's white windows and red brick features which enhances the whole design.
The exquisite architecture also provides different and multiple facade designs.
Also, these Joya homes are located in a gated and guarded community, and more space for more cars to be parked in the porch. Wow! Dila, let's check out this Joya Superling home.
Yes, this is the Joya Show Unit, right? And it's actually available in 2 sizes, 2465 and 2475. But this is the corner house, so it's actually 26 by 75.
So it's 2 feet larger.
Yes,
that's
definitely.
Great.
Definitely. Okay, Nadia, jom check out the staircase. Oh my god, look, this is so nice. These are real timber flooring, and look, it goes all the way up to the first floor. It feels so classy, it smells so premium. And look, it even matches the handrail. But never mind, we talk about this later. Let's check out the dining area first.
This dining space is so huge. That's about 6 to 7 feet more. Then you can add another table for the kids to dine in together on top of the 8 people here. That's amazing. Look at how classy everything is.
Yeah, I totally agree with you, Nadia. But not only that, we have also got more space outside.
Wow, that's a lot of extra space.
Yes, so we can have a barbecue outside, we can have a picnic.
Wow, any kind of gatherings would be fun. And imagine that kids would love their time outdoors.
Yes, definitely.
Now let's check out this kitchen. I love kitchen because I love to cook.
Yes, you do.
Look at this kitchen island and the marble finishing. Oh, amazing.
Yeah, but look at how high the ceiling is. You can put so much storage. You can put such high cabinet.
Every girl's dream is this
You
though.
can put so much books. You can categorize them by authors.
Well, I still love this kitchen island. I don't bother about that.
I love this part. I love the high cabinet.
But it's okay, there's huge space, so both of us can be happy.
Yup, Nadia, and that's not the only part of the dry kitchen we should highlight. We also have this part of the kitchen where you can have your oven here, your microwave here. You can still have a super high cabinet. And not only that, there's super long countertop. All the corner units are fit with this window to allow a lot of sunlight in and to open up. Then you can smell the fresh air. I love it so much.
Dila, if you love that, you will absolutely love this wet kitchen. It comes with this sliding door so that you can cook all kinds of Malaysian dishes without worrying that the smell will travel all the way to the living hall. Next, there's a glass door for more ventilation and natural lighting. Look at this huge space. You can fit in this L-shaped kitchen cabinet and store your kitchen items in an organized manner. Also, there are more windows here for more natural lighting and more ventilation.
Nadia, dah lah tu pasal masak. Let's check out the guest room. So next to the kitchen, we actually have a toilet that interconnects the kitchen to the guest room. So, jom, let's check out the guest room. Alright, so Nadia, this room on the ground floor can cater to your guests, so it can become a guest room. And it can also cater to your grandparents, so you know, they don't have to go through the trouble of going up to get a rest on the bed.
That's great, there's an interconnecting toilet and they can easily go to the kitchen.
Yes, yeah. So what else would you want, right?
Yeah. Dila, let's go, let's not waste any time.
Kejap,
Lambat betul perempuan ni.
Wait for me,
Faster.
wait for me.
Let's go, jom. Ta-da! Look at this amazing space. This Joya Superling Homes has this family space upstairs with laminated timber flooring
Cantik.
and high ceiling.
You know, you can use this space for a study area for your kids, yeah? You can turn it into a games room for your kids to play and be away from the living hall so that it doesn't become messy.
Yeah, there's a lot of room to play with.
Yeah.
Next to the family hall is this beautiful room. As you can see, there's the map of the world, there's beautiful furnishing. Oh, I totally am in love with this place. And for privacy, there's also a connecting toilet with this room.
Right, now let's go to the next room. Now, this room is actually spacious enough to fit up to 3 little boys and 3 teenagers even. So because of the high ceiling, you can actually put in a double-decker bed, and it's not just any regular double-decker bed. You can actually turn the bottom area into a play area. Apart from that, it has its own bathroom, so you know, the boys, they don't have to share the bathroom with the girls.
Wow, look at this room. This is even more spacious than the average master bedroom size.
Yes, Nadia, this is the bedroom of my dreams.
I just love this whole Joya Superling Homes. And the space here is like 7 to 8 feet wide, and I can fit in a day bed or even a sofa. Anything really.
Yep. But Nadia, I've got a question for you. This amount of storage space, is it enough to store all your things?
No, I don't think I can fit all my clothes there. Where am I going to put them?
So it's already so wide and so high. Are you sure it's not gonna fit?
No.
Oh, Nadia, that's terrible. You buy too much stuffs. But you know what? It's okay. Cause Joya is designed so that you can actually squeeze in extra things in here.
Wow, every girl's dream to have extra space for their clothes. I just love this.
Right, Nadia. This Joya Homes, it tick all my boxes. It's spacious, it makes use of all the natural lighting,
High ceiling.
ceiling, beautiful laminated timber flooring.
Yes, we are definitely happy. No wonder it's called Joya, which means happiness.
And you know what will make people more happy?
What is it?
If they can customize their own homes.
Oh, they can do that here, right?
Yes, so with GL Creations, it actually allows the buyers to customize their wall tiles, their floor tiles, and the fittings for their bathroom.
That would be great. It's
Yup.
the details that makes this house perfect.
Yep, so you know, the buyers can have more control over how their house look, and it can also blend more into their interior design.
That's right.
So if our friends there want to know more or want to register interest in Joya, what should they do?
Well, you can visit our website, which will be somewhere here, and call us at the phone number stated on the screen.
Call us. Call me. Don't call her. Call me.
Call me.